G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 6, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. First here on the daily, you can see here we've got this support at 22.11 and our resistance up here, major resistance at 25.01. I've got another little resistance up there, but we'll just ignore that for the moment. We've got this little Fibonacci range between that low and that high. You can see there it's broken and it's about midway between the 50 and the 61% Fibonacci of this range. So we may see a bit of a bounce from there. That's why I've got that resistance, that minus support at 23.47. You'll notice the CCI is still dropping off pretty sharply. Likewise, the Stochastic and this is the daily chart, so it's still falling off. So we may see potentially it break below this, and if it breaks below that 61%, then we're going to have a few more bit of the floodgates opening and a bit more of a decline on silver. But looking at the hourly chart, you can see here there's that minus support at 23.47. Now the reason I say we may have a bit of a bounce from here, we've got a bit of a, you can see there it's bounced off that on the hourly about 2 times already, and it's coming back to another potential bounce there. We've got a CCI here that's moving to the upside, so I've got a divergence there versus the price, and that's indication of a potential pullback and a potential retrace. So if it does do that, then we expect it to pull back at least. Let me just draw a Fibonacci here. We'll go back to that high. We're looking at it going back to at least the 23% minimum target range to the 38%. So that's our short-term retrace area. So at the moment, the daily is still, and it looks like a decline, and we may see it fall further. But before it does that, we may see a bit of a bounce from there. Doesn't mean it's going to stop there. We may see it go higher, but there's a lot of probabilities and uncertainties. But we're just trying to pick the highest probability of what it might do in the short term versus the long term. Our new indicator down here, which we produced recently, has also showing some bullish movement to the upside, and that sort of adds to the story that we may see a bit of a bounce in the short term, at least a bit of a retrace. Again, not a full-blown reversal, just maybe a bit of a retrace before further declines. So to understand how to trade some of the trend trading strategies and also the divergence strategies, support us more on Patreon, where we also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.